Hey there, hack kids! Today, I'm gonna teach you guys how a professional barista washes their hands before work. You guys probably don't know this, but I used to be a professional bubble tea maker. I made bubble tea for 2 years. Now, since we would use our hands a lot to touch a lot of the drinks, we needed to keep our hands super clean so our customers wouldn't get sick. First, we'd run a little warm water over our hands to get them nice and wet. Then, we'd take a glop of soap and rub it all over our hands. We'd make sure to get in between our fingers like this. And under our nails like this. The soap would get super bubbly and it would look really cool, like coating our entire hands. Then we'd wash off the soap with more warm water. We'd have to make sure to scrub in all the same places that we put the soap on to get every single bit of the germs off. So that would be, once again, in between your fingers, underneath your fingernails, and on the rest of your hands. While we were washing our hands, we'd sing a song to make sure we were washing them for long enough. The song went something like this.
Wash your hands, keep them clean to not get sick. Scrub lots between each finger, don't forget under your nails. Make sure to use lots of soap, scrub a big lots of foam.
And there you have it. 2 professionally cleaned hands. It's important to wash your hands just like this in times like these, where it's very dangerous not to have properly cleaned hands. So stay clean and stay safe. If you like this video, make sure to like and comment. Tell me what kinds of videos you'd like to see from me in the future. Till next time, stay safe and see you later. Bye!